nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and today I will be doing a video on this headband wig that I got. So today's video is sponsored by Donmily Hair, and I'm just showing you guys what I received in the box. So I got a wig cap, and I got this black and gold headband as well. At first I was trying to figure out really how it worked, but yeah, it's a headband. And I'm just going to be showing you guys the wig that I received. On the package, it shows you the length that you got. So this wig was a 26-inch wig. It was 150 density, and it was a headband wig. So I also got a headband, this blue one. I wasn't really feeling it, but it would be a good idea if you get one that you like. So this is how the curls look. This was a jerry curl headband wig. It was 150 density, if I didn't mention that already. The curls were so pretty. They were tight. Like, these curls were bomb. So let me show you guys the inside of the wig. The inside had obviously the band that you're gonna strap around your head, and you got these oh yeah, so it's a velcro at the back that you just literally stick together. Literally, that's it. That's how you put the wig on your head. You just stick the velcro together. So it's easy as not even 1 2 3. But let me go ahead and show you guys the inside. The inside, it has like an adjustable band that all the wigs normally come with. And it also comes with clips that you can use to secure the wig. These clips come in handy. So I'm going to show you guys how I install this wig, and I'm just giving you a quick look of how the curls look. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by having my hair knot free, and I'm going to just put it in 2 pigtails. I'm going to braid the ends, kind of like slick it back and just braid the ends on each side. That way my hair is not out, and it's easy when you put the stocking cap on it this way. So once the ends are braided, I'm just gonna go in with my edge control brush, and I'm gonna comb down my baby hairs, what I'm gonna use as my baby hairs. So I'm just gonna comb them out. I don't really have baby hairs, I just try to make them. I'm going in with my ebon edge control. So I'm just using the brush part of the edge control brush, and I'm just slicking my baby hairs the way I want it to lay, because I find that when it comes to headband wigs, the baby hairs like kind of make it or break it. And I loved how my baby hairs came out with this wig compared to the other headband wig that I did before on my channel. So yeah, I felt like this was it. So yeah guys, we're just gonna go ahead, play with those baby hairs, make sure they're laid. So I actually used the edge control to brush back the hair at the top, because that's what's going to be showing. So I just wanted it to be slick. So I just used some of the edge control and just brushed it back. And then I will be going in with my stocking cap and just putting it over my hair at this point. I do think it would have been easier if I just caught my hair into ponytails, like using elastics or something at the ends. But I mean, trial. I might try it another time and see how that goes. But this still worked perfectly fine. So once the stocking cap's on, I'm gonna go and apply this wig. Like, do you guys see those curls? So I'm just showing you guys the band, and I'm placing the clip at the back. If you guys see this clip, I'm gonna place it in the middle of the back of my head underneath the cap. That way you know it's in the middle. Like, I always use that as a guide. You know it's in the middle. And then I'm gonna use the comb at the middle of the cap and stick it underneath my wig cap, right in the middle. And once that's done, like, you're just gonna take the straps, the straps of the band, and you're just gonna bring them together at the back. But yeah, I did use all 3 combs at the front. There was 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and then 1 at the back. I did use those combs and I put them underneath the wig cap, and that gave it so much security. So I'm just gonna attach it at the back. And then I'm gonna pull. As you can see, obviously the band is covering my baby hair, so I'm just gonna fold it over a bit on the wig because the band is pretty thick. And honestly, I could have left this band alone and wore it exactly like this because you can't see anything, but I did kind of want to spice it up. So yeah, as you guys can see, like, it was so, like, secure. Like, even when I was trying to push it back, it was like barely moving. So guys, this is basically it. Like, I could have went outside just like this and it would have been fine. Like, you wouldn't know nothing. You wouldn't have known this was a headband wig. But I'm gonna use what was I doing here? Oh yeah, but I'm just showing you guys, like, there's so much versatility when it comes to this headband wig. Like, girl. So I'm using this scarf that I always wear as, like, my head tie, and I'm just gonna fold it to use as, like, my headband. So I give it a little twist at the front. I was just trying a thing. So I give it a little twist at the front, and then I just tied it towards the back. And that was that. So I'm now just going to be playing around with the wig, trying to style it in different ways to see how to wear it. I did this cute half up, half down. You can wet the hair. When you wet the hair, it is so nice. So, like, in a minute you'll see that I'm just gonna do a little half up, half down, and then wet the hair. And when I did wet the hair looked beautiful. I just went in with my spray bottle and wet the hair. And I'm going to show you guys the difference with one side being wet and the other side not being wet. Like the curls looked more like defined, but the curls dry still looked nice. So I mean, you can't even go wrong. Okay guys, so this is how the half a pop down looked wet. And this is the curl product that I'm using, Soft Sheen. And it's like a moisturizing lotion. I always use it in my curly hair. So this just helps keep the curls defined. And yeah, this was a look. Just like that. Super easy. You could not even tell me this was a headband wig. Like, you couldn't. And then this is how it looked. I just took out the band. This is how it looked when I had it down. I loved this look too. So this is look number 2. And then look number 3, I am just putting it up into a ponytail. You can have it in a ponytail if you wanted to. So instead of leaving it in a ponytail, I actually just decided to wrap it around and put it in this cute bun because I love my buns. If my hair is not done, it's always in a bun. And I feel like this look right here, this was it for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video if you guys enjoyed it. This super cute, super easy hairstyle. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Let me know what you guys would like to see me do next. And I'll be back with another one. Also, all the hair details will be listed down in my description box below. This hair was from Donmily Hair Company. And it was jerry curl.